since we can't see anything unless we log in, we better learn how to log in. So we're going to let Firebase manage this. Not that that takes all the work out of it, but it takes a lot of the work out of it. So go to Firebase. Go to the authentication section. And look at this great big thing here saying, authenticate and manage users from a variety of providers without server-side code. Set up sign-in method. Let's set up a sign-in method, shall we? We see email, password, phone. Wow, what's that do? Allow users to sign in with a mobile phone number using Firebase SDK, phone verification, and user authentication tools. That sounds cool. We're not going to do it. Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub. That's what we're looking for, because we already have those. We don't want to create a new login and password, do we? See what it says. Okay, let's hit enable. Now, yeah, you don't have this here yet, right? Let's pretend I don't either. Okay, so it wants a client ID and a client secret. It says to complete setup, add this authorization callback URL to your GitHub app configuration. Learn more. So learn more would tell us how to do this next part. I'm going to show you. And here's the thing I want to copy. Now, note, to copy this, click the little thing here. If you try to use your mouse to select it, you may not select quite the right thing. And then, it won't work and you won't know why. So go ahead and copy that to your clipboard. That is the callback URL. Go out to GitHub. From your little pull down in the top, go to Settings. And from the list on the side, choose OAuth applications. OAuth is the authentication standard that Firebase uses to talk to GitHub and most of those other services. I've got a bunch already here. Let's register a new application called ThingList Afternoon in my case. Homepage URL, you do have to put something. So it's not like going to check to make sure that it's really coming from there. That rule goes somewhere else. So for right now, let's just say I'm going to put the link to this GitHub repository. Okay, github.com/distro/thinglist afternoon, which doesn't even exist. Doesn't matter. Here's the important part. Authorization callback URL. You copied that, right? Paste it in. Register application. And look, client ID and client secret. Should the bad guys get a hold of these, notice you can revoke them. That's right. Copy that client ID, paste it into Firebase. Copy the client secret. Paste it into Firebase. Hit save. Do make sure enable is checked, by the way, up here. All right. GitHub enabled. So now we have Firebase talking to GitHub. We just need to get our app talking to Firebase for authentication related matters.